Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to create a website shortcuts into your home screen with iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Safari browser here, and the next thing you need to do is just find the website that you want to add into the shortcuts on your home screen. And here I will like to try with the Google Translate. So whenever I need to translate with the Google Translate, I can right away access the website without have to type this application or this website into the browser. So you just need to go open the website, and the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this side, and then you just need to go click this share button over here, and you just need to scroll up. There will be an options to add to home screen, so you just need to go click it. And you just need to type the title here if you want to change it, but I will let you keep it this way, and then you just need to go click add. And here I already have the shortcuts of the Google Translate website on my home screen. So whenever I click it, hold a second, I will be right away open the website of the Google Translate. So that is the way, guys, how to add the shortcuts of the website into your home screen. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.